Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I will try to change the charging port with this port that is all-weather USB charging cover. What does this mean? It means that you can have your camera charging while you're riding the motorbike with rain or snow. Let's see how we can change this. We have to remove the old one. Just take it like that. Okay, this is off. Let's open the new one. Instructions, and this is the new charging port. Very small. It's almost identical with the old one. So this is it. I think you take out this. Okay. So it's identical with the old one. This is the old one and this is the new one. Let's see now. We press it like that. I think this is it. So simple. And you plug in here the charger. It has some silicone attachment here. So it will be waterproof, so you can charge your camera while you're riding your motorbike. Very simple. Don't forget, keep this just in case you need it again. I hope you liked this very fast video. Thanks for watching.